Social media. It's where we scroll, we laugh, we share, and yes, we shop. But for businesses, creators, and marketers, social media is not just a pastime. It's a powerful tool to grow an audience, build trust, and drive sales. The problem is most people just post random content and hope it works. But that's not a strategy. In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step beginner's guide to social media marketing with real examples so you can see exactly how it works. Stick around until the end for bonus tip that can instantly make your content stand out. Before we go into the content, if you want to watch this series fully in order, click the podcast in the above cards. So let's dive in. The first, we are gonna see what is social media marketing. Social media marketing or SMM is using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn to promote your products, services, or personal brand. But it's not about spamming people with ads. It's about creating content your audience find valuable, educational, entertaining, or inspiring, and using it to build a relationship. For example, a coffee shop might share latte art videos on Instagram. A fitness coach might post quick home workout tips on TikTok. A tech reviewer could upload laptop unboxing and tutorials on YouTube. Each one is providing value first, the sales come later. The next, we are gonna see why SMM is so powerful. Why does social media marketing work so well? The first one is massive reach. Facebook alone has over 3 billion active users. If you sell handmade jewelry, your customers are probably there already. Second is laser targeting. Platform let you target specific groups. Selling a vegan cookbook, you can run ads to only people interested in plant-based recipes. Third one is engagement. You can reply, react, and build trust with customers in real time. Fourth one is low cost to start. Many small businesses grow without spending a single dollar on ads at first. Fifth one is brand personality. You can show your style and voice. For example, Wendy's Twitter account is famous for its funny, sarcastic tone. Now we talk about organic versus paid marketing. First one is organic marketing. Posting free content regularly. Think of a bakery sharing behind the scene videos of making fresh bread every morning. Over time, people follow because they feel part of the process. Second one is paid marketing. Running ads for quick exposure, like a gym offering a first month free deal on Facebook ads to get instant signups. Most successful brands use both. Organic to build trust, paid to speed things up. Now we are gonna see the most important, how to start social media marketing. Alright, here's the step-by-step plan to start even if you are brand new. Step 1 is pick the right platform. Don't try to master all platforms at once. Choose based on your audience. One professionals, LinkedIn is the best. Example, a business-to-business software company sharing case studies. For targeting Gen Z, TikTok or Instagram Reels are best. Example is a clothing brand showing outfit transitions. For wanting to teach or explain, YouTube is the great. Example, a photographer teaching camera settings. Start with 1 to 2 platform and go deep. Step 2 is define your target audience. Ask who am I trying to reach? Watch their age, location, interest, what problems do they face, or what are their goals and interests. For example, if you sell productivity planners for students, you are targeting people aged 16 to 24 who need time management tips. Your post might show study hacks, organization tips, or motivational quotes. Step 3. Create a content strategy. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% value, 20% promotion. Mix content types like educational, for example, 3 Instagram ads to post engagement. For entertaining, relatable memes about your industry is a great. For inspirational, before and after client results, might people get inspired. For example, a skincare brand might post tips on reducing acne, so behind the scenes of product making, and occasionally promote a new cream. Plan ahead with a content calendar. Tools like Canva, Trello, or Later make this simple and easy. Step 4 is stay consistent. Posting once a month won't cut it. For example, a small pizza shop in New York grew its Instagram from 500 to 20,000 followers in a year simply by posting daily videos of cheese pulls and pizza making. Aim for 3 to 4 posts per week to start. Step 5 is engage with your audience. Reply to comments, answer DMs, thank people for sharing your content. For example, Example, on TikTok, a home baker replied to every comment with short thank you videos. This made viewers feel special and boosted her algorithm reach. Step 6 is track and improve. Check your analytics weekly. Example, you might notice your quick tip videos get double the engagement of your product post. That's a sign to create more tips. Test caption, posting times, and hashtags. Now let's see tips to stand out now. Here are a few tips to help your content pop. First one, use high quality visuals. Even an iPhone with good lighting can make your content look professional. Second one, hook viewers first. Example, start with stop scrolling if you're struggling to save money. Instead of hi, welcome to my page. Third one, tell stories. A travel blogger once shared how they saved for a trip by selling old clothes. Then documented the journey. It felt real and relatable. Fourth one, join trends early. If there's a trending sound or challenge, use it, but adapt it to your niche. Fifth one, be authentic. Don't over polish everything. Viewers love real moments, even bloopers. And that's your beginner's guide to social media marketing with real examples you can apply today. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, it's not about going viral overnight. It's about building a loyal community. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and tell me in the comments which platform are you starting with first. Until then, signing off, Danush. By the way, stay tuned for next episode.